Okay. What is Vat?
But you can say in our Ayurvedic language there are two main fundamentals. These are Vata, Pitta and Kapha.
Can I?
Yes, you
Okay.
can.
Yeah.
Three fundamentals: Vata, Pitta and Kapha.
Okay.
Vata is mostly we have is for in our we can say that it moves in our whole body, and
Okay.
it controls our nervous system.
Okay.
Bath controls our nervous system.
Okay.
And all the movements, or we can speak. There are five types of Vata, and there are five divisions also. So mainly, if there is any pain, so we say that your Vata is disturbed.
Okay.
If we give you any medicine which specifies the Vata, it also diminishes your pain,
Okay.
threshold of pain, because any type of pain is due to nerves. If any
Okay.
nerve ending is stimulated,
Okay.
then there may be pain.
Okay.
So if you give the bath pacifying drugs, then it pacify your nerve endings also, or if any exaggregated your nerves, then it pacify that. So these drugs mostly act on Vata, and
Okay.
Pitta is for your mostly temperature regulation.
Okay.
We say that that any type of if any person is looking very much gorgeous, or it has any aura in it, or if there is any strength, or if person is very much aggravation, then we say that if it is very much angry, he remains most of the times angry, we say that it's this person is mostly pitta aggravated person.
Okay.
And kapha person, you can say that if any person is very much fat, or he has much of the fat in his body,
Yes.
and he is somewhat sluggish, and takes his decisions very strongly, firmly, that I have to do this work, then we say that this person is kapha person. And
Okay.
kapha person, mostly gives our body strength.
Okay.
Like any type of or immunity. Immunity
Okay.
is mostly by our kapha.
Okay.
So all these three in our whole body, these three are main components, and from these all other components are formed. So our main treatment is based on Vata, Pitta and Kapha.
Okay.
Firstly, we determine that if the person which is coming, it is Vata person or Pitta person or Kapha person, and which type of disease is his.
Okay.
Either this disease is Vatic, like if say he says that I have pain in my joints, I have any type of headache, then we say that we firstly see that if the person is himself or herself is a Vatic person or Pathic person. So by seeing both his disease and his nature, we give the medicines. So to if person is having person says that mostly like blood pressure or hypertension. Blood pressure or hypertension is mostly said that it is due to aggravation of pitta.
Okay.
So we give mostly the such type of medicines which decreases the pitta, or which are cold in nature.
Yeah.
Mostly like that your amla, just amlic officinalis, which is mostly coming nowadays. It
Okay.
is very much sheetvirya. So
Okay.
it is if any person has very much acidity.
Yes.
Acidity is mostly due to pitta.
Okay.
So if you give that person amla swaras, or means amla juice,
Okay.
then that very much helps in its indigestion or acidity.
Okay.
So like that all the treatment are done.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
What would you say? What am I? Am I?
You are, in my opinion, as I feel like that you are Vatic person,
Yeah.
and also it depends. There are many questions
Okay.
that if you are very much talkative person, or how is your lifestyle? If you like to remain always very much in hurry, or you are always do something,
Okay.
like that, if
Yeah.
these are the activities, or your mind is always something rotated, means I have to thought that, then we say that that person is Vatic person.
Okay.
Or if he's a stable person, like he do not moves here and there, and he can sit and do his work. Or some persons are like that my child is very much in hurry, and always he can't sit for a minute also. He
Okay.
can't sit for a minute.
Okay.
So I say that
I can. For 1
Yes.
minute I can.
Yes, yes. So my child, I say that he is very much Vatik.
Okay.
Yeah. So like activities, and also that according to the build up of the body person also.
Oh yeah.
Like if person is lean and thin,
Yeah.
then we say that this person is Vatik person.
Okay.
Or his joints are very much aggravated or very much prominent.
Okay.
If, then we also say that this person is Vatik person.
Okay.
And like other, if you have to judge out that if person is Pathic or not, then if person, if you say anything and he aggravates very much, he becomes angry very easily,
Yes.
then we say that this person is Pathic person.
Okay.
Or he believes in somewhat fighting, like, or in the case of this winter season,
Yes.
he does not need any such much, he don't feel any much cold,
Oh yeah.
then we say that this person is Pithic person.
Okay.
And if person is a Kapha person, mostly that person build up is somewhat healthy.
Yeah.
He looks like that he is somewhat fat or healthy person, and he does all his works very calmly and
Okay.
very profusely, and he makes decisions very precisely, that
Okay.
if I have to do that work or not, he can decide.
Okay.
But if Vatik person will be, he sometimes thinks yes I will do it, and next time he will say no I can't do it.
Okay.
So that type of determinations are also for the Vatik Pathic persons.
Okay.
Yes. So by asking some questions, we
Okay.
can decide that if the person is Vatik or Kaphas.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
So
Very good.
this is a very good scientist.
Yes.
Very good science.
Yes.